companion, with joy I move my song. For I have expectation of the joy that I have. That great joy will come to me if it pleases God. For I put my effort in a noble place. And if I comfort myself fearing, joy is a very beautiful hope. And so I don't want to despair or part from the sweet desiring. In this desire I go thinking no man is true fine worth if he doesn't put himself in love's game. And the one who puts himself more into it greatly, for one good has 100 evils from it, and for one joy 1,000 thoughts. Another's wrong must be pleaded by him, and he must hold his madness as sense. A fool was he who called before love this evil that I draw from it. Weeping and sighing, crying and dismay, angers and grief, losses and harm and trouble and sadness is love, and it would be discernment if my lady forced herself to love so much that she thought what she makes me think. I think of courtesy so much that there's nothing of it, and I don't know where to find it, since it's not there where everyone granted it to me. Ah, beautiful and graceful lady, if courtesy and discernment made you humble yourself so much that you gave me some good hope. Just a hope I want, singing all times to muse, and it would keep me joyful and let another enjoy it. I repay you for it with what I'll serve you, loving, and my long waiting would be made whole. For without you all joy is nothing to me. I'm well welcome, so God protect me for good faith and for fearing. The more I fear you and bow to you again, the pride doubles and it does worse to me. And a noble heart that goes with mercy should break its desire, but this sense fails so much, for you are noble and worthy. And the more I can beg you with mercy, I see the pride double. Double joy would be in the great court at the judgment, when I'll be there, where everything from here will be known. If someone said of the most prized woman, who was as much as she was while I was living, that she was a beautiful welcomes to me, I would well have put my singing there, and my eyes, if I could have given them to her.